Hare Krishna. So today we will be reading text 7, 8, 9 and 10. In the previous three texts we have seen that Duryodhan is talking to Dronacharya and he is talking about all the mighty warriors that are on the side of the Pandavas. That is, they are fighting from the Pandavas side against the Kauravas. From text 7 onwards we will see that Duryodhan is going to talk about all the brave warriors that are on his side. So let's continue. Text 7. Asmakam tu vishishthāye tān nibodha dvijottama nayaka mama sainyasya samgyartham tān bravimite. Translation. But for your information, O best of the Brahmanas, let me tell you about the captains who are especially qualified to lead my military force. Text 8. Bhavan Bhismascha Karnascha Kripascha Samitim Jaya Ashwathama Vikarnascha Somadattis Tathevacha. Translation. There are personalities like you, Bhishma, Karna, Kripa, Ashwathama, Vikarna and the son of Somadatta called Bhurishwara who are always victorious in battle. Purport. Duryodhana mentions the exceptional heroes in the battle, all of whom are ever victorious. Vikarna is the brother of Duryodhana, Ashwathama is the son of Dronacharya and Somadatti or Bhurishwara is the son of the king of the Balikas. Karna is the half brother of Arjuna as he was born of Kunti before her marriage with King Pandu. Kripacharya's twin sister married Dronacharya. Text 9. Anye cha bhava shura mad arte tyaktha jivita nana shastra praharana sarve yuddha visharada. Translation. There are many other heroes who are prepared to lay down their lives for my sake. All of them are well equipped with different kinds of weapons and all are experienced in military science. Purport. As far as the others are concerned, like Jayadatra, Kritavarma and Salya, all are determined to lay down their lives for Duryodhana's sake. In other words, it is already concluded that all of them would die in the battle of Kurukshetra for joining the party of the sinful Duryodhana. Duryodhana was, of course, confident of his victory on account of the above mentioned combined strength of his friends. Text 10. Aparyaptam tadasmakam balam bhishmabhirakshitam paryaptam twidam etesham balam bhimabhirakshitam. Translation. Our strength is immeasurable and we are perfectly protected by grandfather Bhishma, whereas the strength of the Pandavas, carefully protected by Bhima, is limited. Purport. Herein an estimation of comparative strength is made by Duryodhana. He thinks that the strength of his armed forces is immeasurable, being specifically protected by the most experienced general, grandfather Bhishma. On the other hand, the forces of the Pandavas are limited, being protected by a less experienced general, Bhima, who is like a fig in the presence of Bhishma. Duryodhana was always envious of Bhima because he knew perfectly well that if he should die at all, he would only be killed by Bhima. But at the same time, he was confident of his victory on account of the presence of Bhishma, who was a far superior general. His conclusion that he would come out of the battle victorious was well ascertained. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.